y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Boo X Adderall TikTok trend. It's pretty new and it's also very different from the rest, not because of the dance. The dance is pretty much like almost any other dance, but here we're going to use a different filter we don't usually use to like make the dance. So I'm going to show you later what filter to use, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. That would support me so much. I would be so happy. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now for the filter, we're going to use the meditation filter. If you can scroll through your filters and find it. If you can't, then just enter any of those TikToks and then just click on the filter and you'll have it there. So basically it just, so I'm gonna explain quickly how it works. So basically there's this part where we're gonna go like this and it should stop. So when you feel it stop, so you're gonna go up and like, it's gonna look like a ghost. So it's like still there. And then when you return to that position, it's gonna disappear. Okay, so if you don't really understand how it goes, then again, you can just enter the TikTok and any of the TikToks of that trend have that, so you will understand. And now let's go with the dance. So the first thing they say is boo. So we're just gonna cover our face and then just uncover like that. And now we're gonna cross our arms, uncross, and do the peace sign like that. So once again, boo, cross, uncross, peace. And then after that it says I'm a ghost, so we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go down, make sure the filter stops. We're gonna go up and then back to the return position. And then after that, we're just gonna go wave and then wave again. And then our hands go down like that. 1. And then they say wait, wait, wait. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. Just do a stop sign with our hands. 1, 2, 3. So now let's do it from the very beginning and we'll move on again. So let's go. Boo, cross, and cross. Peace. 1, down, up, down. Wave, wave. 1, stop, stop, stop. Okay, so after that, we're just gonna whoa like this. Instead of doing a normal one, we're just gonna kind of like cross our arms, right? But our right arm goes up a little bit, just like that. Okay, so 1, and then we're gonna just do the wait sign again, and then we're gonna clap. And then after that, we're gonna cross our arms like this. Our right hand goes up. When our palms like touch, then the other one goes down. And it's gonna be like a circle, right? So it's gonna look like this. 1. Once again, 1. Just like that. So now we're gonna do it from the very beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. Boo. Cross, cross, peace. 1, 2, up, down. Wave, wave. 1, wait, 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 and whoa. Stop, clap, and circle. So after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 fast. So it's gonna basically look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then after that, we're just gonna step to the right. This step, everyone does it differently. Okay, so just do it however you want. You can just step, you can do a giant step, you can just, I don't know, do whatever you want. But this is, for example, how Charlie Amelio does it. You just step, and then you step again, and then it says sing. So we're just gonna go like, do a small wave. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's do it from here once again, and that's it, that's the whole dance. So after that, we're gonna do it from the very beginning, twice. 1 slow, 1 fast. But first, let's practice the last part again. Step, step, sing, 1, 2, 3. That's it, and now from the beginning. Let's go first slow. Boo, cross, and cross, peace, and ghost, down, wave, wave, down. Stop, 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 and whoa. Stop, clap, circle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step, step, sing, 1, 2, 3. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. Boo, cross, and cross. and whoa. Stop, clap, and time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step, step, sing. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.